Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a storage account in a resource group so you have a secure home for blobs. Once done, pick General Purpose v2 for flexibility and choose replication based on durability needs. Next, you install Azure CLI or Storage Explorer to interact quickly, and you locate the connection string or configure Azure AD credentials so code and tools can authenticate. Make sure to choose the right performance tier, because that affects cost and latency as you proceed. Now you create a container to organize blobs and immediately decide its access level: private for secure data, blob for limited public reads. Then upload content using AsCopy for speed, the CLI for scripts, or the SDK in your app. Set content type and metadata so consumers interpret files correctly. Once uploaded, set the appropriate access tier: hot for frequent reads, cool for infrequent, archive for long-term. Also generate SAS tokens when you need time-limited, scoped access for use. To finish, implement lifecycle management so blobs move between tiers or expire automatically, and enable diagnostic logging and metrics so you can monitor usage and costs. Then configure backups or soft delete to protect against accidental deletion, and integrate alerts in Azure Monitor for unusual activity. Test access from your app and rotate keys periodically. Use role-based access for least privilege. If you hit errors, first check permissions. SAS validity and core settings, those are the most common causes of access failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.